Yo, when you see the musical impact where the man have on the youths them, Alkaline, the great Alkaline, musical genius, the mad scientist, viewers and subscribers, Jaja, Alkaline, my side of story, legend, classic song, go down in the history, Jaja.
While me whine and no pussy can't groom me. Zoom up my head and send a brain to immune me. Tune up on my tick, they sit down dance for me.
Masicka! Boy, I listen to your song, man, a pistol point. Yeah, I can go on still, you know. But on a serious note, I feel like the choice of beat them when you use, you need to change up your thing, you know. It does in the same flow and the same style. With creativity, but I give you like all a tree. You get me? I say you need to reinvent yourself, man. You get me? I say change up your style a little bit now.
Black that a push on it and kick like brownie. Pull up with the tool and off it take on no journey. Tie down with your diamond and roll.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vybz and Inside with Nando. You know it's a boss Nando in our building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So you know the channel are growing on the channel are building, and we see a lot of people are follow, a lot of people subscribe and are tuning into the content, and we see where the content them are grow also. So in today's topic, we have some things to talk about, and as on a sip on the screen, Vybz Kartel, Alkaline, Masicka. But one of the person that we never had on the screen is Gage. But nevertheless, may have some things to talk about. We saw where Masicka had preview a song and the whole media space, not the whole media space, but a lot of conversation has been sparking around the song, because we saw where Masicka also made couple posts on his Instagram, I would say, and also TikTok. And he's saying that he's the world greatest. And we are really jumping at them topic there and speak with mine, because we see where a lot of vloggers out here have vlog about it also, but a lot of people, they are not giving them opinion towards it. So we saw where Masicka had said he's the world greatest and he's an autocrat. He's an autocrat. And the definition for autocrat is being a ruler or being the most powerful. So he's saying that he's the most powerful of dancehall, or he's the ruler of dancehall. And we saw where he also made other posts saying that dancehall is in his palm forever. And you know a lot of conversation is going to be around that, because being that Vybz Kartel in the space of the dancehall and him just got crowned, and everybody I declare say a Vybz Kartel are the wickedest thing, Vybz Kartel are the king, Vybz Kartel are the that. And you know Masicka go to work already. In preview songs, spark a little conversation here and there over the dancehall space, and then when the song drop, a lot of people go over the song to view it and run up the numbers and so forth, and all sort of conversation start over again. So we have that topic for talk about the Masicka, and we have the comparison of Vybz Kartel and Alkaline, and Masicka in the conversation saying who did the most for dancehall, because Masicka made a bold statement saying that he's the world greatest. And what I want to ask is, what has Masicka done for the past 10 years he's been in dancehall, or the past 3 years since he's been signed to Def Jam? So we are going to get into that, and also the Gage topic. Gage saying that him get a jacket and him breed a girl and him tell her for dash it to her, which him sure say him breed a girl, him say him breed a pretty browning, and him tell her for dash her the baby, because him have this baby on the way come, which is the jacket. And now in recent time him found out that him get a jacket, and now him depend the girl in truck, because the lady where him tell for dash her the belly, she don't have the baby no more. And this a lady here where him did the DNA test with, him found out that the baby and a female a jacket. So we're gonna talk about them thing there. But before we jump into the topic, I want you guys to make sure you like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, so whenever I, Nando, Vybz and Inside with Nando drop a new update, you guys can be the first to be notified. So let's just jump right into the topic, viewers and subscribers. Alright, let's start off with the Masicka conversation now. Some would say Masicka is being confident in himself, or some would say Masicka, this is just clearly egotistical behavior. And I will agree and I will disagree to some extent, because you have a thing called confident, but you have to know your limit, you know. And then again, at the same time, you can believe in yourself to a wider extent than some would believe in yourself. But Masicka, being that he hasn't achieved much in the music, and he himself boldly stated that he's the world's greatest, this is just clearly utter rubbish. Because if he's saying that because he's dropping few hit songs here and there, let me say this. Masicka, all the others artists before you that was dominating the space, where when you were sleeping, when you weren't doing anything, they've done more than you and they've done bigger than you. And what I want to ask is, Masicka, when are you going to keep your own stage show? When are you going to go on a tour? I saw where Def Jam, you did an album under the Def Jam management, the Def Jam organization, greatest generation of kings, and we didn't saw where you went on a tour with that album. And I thought when you signed to a label and label sister your album are do good, or your works or your project are do good, they would put you on a tour. That I want to see, or that I am yet to see. Masicka, Vybz, Kartel and Alkaline in a dancehall, them dominate the space of dancehall with songs after songs, shows after shows. And we are yet to see where Masicka has been signed to a label and the label is yet to do anything spectacular for him. We saw where Skillbank signed, we saw where Shensia signed, we saw where they go places after places, headline, shows after shows with not even headline but guest performer with some big headlines like Chris Brown. Shensia did some shows with some other big acts also. But Masicka, being that you have been signed for 3 years and we don't see where the label do anything major for your, Masicka, and you're out here making bold statements saying that you're the world's greatest, saying that you're an autocrat, and that is a strong word to use. You're saying that you are the ruler over dancehall. I know that this is just for conversational purpose, because Masicka like the entertainment of, or like the conversation of clash or rival, but he doesn't want the war. He don't want the static. Him no want to go up against nobody. Him just like the conversation for spark around him name, him drop him songs them and then pretend like, him no want in a war, or him not have no beef with nobody. And that is just it. That is just Masicka. Now, me I look upon it like this. Vybz, Kartel and Alkaline. Again, the man them do something in a dancehall where we can say, yeah, them a major impact in a dancehall. But Masicka, in the space of dancehall, I do some hot song here and there, but we're not seeing the growth of Masicka. Like for the past 10 years, Masicka has been the same. The only great achievement Masicka had is the album signing and where he went and Summer Jam and perform. Now we can say where Alkaline got perform on big stage show, Afro Nation. We see where Vybz, Kartel are the tours of shows after shows in a different country. So we can say, yeah, them are the big. Alkaline even went to Germany. Masicka didn't went to Germany to perform at the Summer Jam. So we can say, yeah, Masicka are doing thing now. But Masicka, what do you have against creativity? What do you have against jumping out of your element? Like, what do you have against that? I want to know, because Masicka, why can't you change the flow that you have? For the past 2 years, Masicka has been stuck into the same flow. You check Whites is the same flow. You check Tyrant is the same flow. You check Mute is the same flow. And this song that he's previewing is the same flow. Masicka, come to the front of the classroom. Come to the front of the classroom. Because Masicka, why you can't change the flow, bad bro? Why you have to stuck into the same flow? Like, me not gonna say you don't have some other style, because once you jump into few little girl song and few little other song, because your album Generation of Kings, it has few little flow. But I get to understand that you lack creativity, like you have something against creativity. Why? More know that, bro. Is it that you find it that the Whites flow a work for you, so you're stuck in it? Over time, this flow get monotonous and people don't are not going to pay you attention enough, because we see where it happened to Rygin King. Rygin King came into the dancehall space with this trap flow, this trap style, and it worked for him for a while. And then over time, people realized that Rygin King can't change his style. Just the same as Chronicler. Chronicler is a good lyricist, but he is average when it comes to being top tier lyricist because Chronicler have lyrics, but him no know how to put them together, like really put them together upon a different flow. Him just stuck into this monotonous sound where him just can't change it. Him style is just average. Him can't grow past the style ever. But Masicka, the artist with the out here, are prop up himself, which is good. And people are boosting him up and are prop him up saying that, yeah, you are running the place, or you are the world's greatest, and rare. But bro, everyone in your bad man sang them sound alike, brother. Everyone in your bad man sang them. And this song that you're previewing, bro, if it has anything, if it doesn't have anything pertaining to dissing anybody, like if you are going to shade, make the shade be direct. If you're going to shade, make the shade be somewhat direct. Other than you're going to need magnifying glass for find the shades them in the song. No make it be like that, bro. So if you're going to shade the artist them and listen, the climate over in the dancehall climate, a clash climate, somebody want to see you clash somebody, dog. Them want to see you either clash Alkaline, and we know you're not going to clash Vybz Kartel, because Vybz Kartel is somewhat a mentor to you, so you're not going to clash Vybz Kartel. But them want to see you clash somebody, either Devin the Doctor or Alkaline, which we know you're not clash Devin the Doctor. But Masicka, bro, forward, dog. Jano, you need to change your style, bad bro. The style need to change because viewers and subscribers, some people in the comment section attack, you know. People in the comment section attack say Masicka need to change him style. One person state that this sound like him dip and repeat. All him songs them sound the same. And the list goes on. A lot of people are say a lot of things. Masicka need to change whoever make him beats. What is season 1, episode 2, episode 1. That is it, bro. Once the people them predict your style, them will call you out. And we see where this happened to Little Baby over here in America, where Little Baby couldn't change him style and him fall off. Because him style is the same every time him go up on a beat, him can't change it. And another person say, boy, Masicka just low out the war and do some bad dancers, and because you give Vybz Kartel your badness, people go water you down. Somebody else say songs them sound the same. That is the thing with Masicka. Masicka style is the same every time him go up on a beat, and a lot of people are gonna call him out. And that type problem with artists why them fall off in a dancer, because them can't change, them can't think outside of the box. Them can't do something else, put something else on a beat. Them have to come forward with the same flow, the same cadence, and that type issue why some of them fall off. So that is it for Masicka. So we could jump in another topic. So we have Gage in our video as viewers and subscribers, and him crash out and say him woman give him Jocket. Him have a woman and she give him Jocket. And he also stated that him did have a next girl before, that girl here, and him know for sure she a him pitney, but him tell her for dash of the baby. And now that him tell she for dash of the baby, him right now him dip on the gelding truck. The one where him not sure say a him one, or him did think of him one, in the do DNA and find out say a Jocket him get, and now him dip on the gelding truck. Boy, Jamaican woman them can't give the man them Jocket, you know. And when you know stop give the man them Jocket, Jamaican woman, Jaja God.
If me not get back for me, call the police them and share this to them. Tell them when me say no, Ashley. If me not get back for me, you in enough problem. You fucking idiot, you in enough bumbuckler problem. You fucking idiot. Me say, call the police them and tell them no. Example man I gonna make out of you, girl. Remember me tell you that. Me want back for me one. Me want back for me one.
I tell you a countless time. And you still did have to go and do this. Brother, me breed one pretty blood clot brown girl. But me know she have for me. Can me tell her say she a breed. And me tell her say yo she have to go dash away. Cause me can't manage 2 youth now, brother. Brother, me nah know youth. How the blood clot this in our world? So me dep on the internet I get style and everything. You see me? While the next man just did a back I close door I live free.
You send them back. You send back all of them. So today now, when a puppy tell me say me breed you, you never tell me that, Today now when me go fi sign up for do DNA, cause me a pay your feet and me a sign up and me a do what me a do.
So me need your info, me need the child's info. Why is it today now I find out say fucking pick me have puppy last name? When me have a ask you say, how we pick me have puppy last name? You have to tell me say, if a puppy alone have a last name in the world. You have to tell me say, if you have to tell me say, I guess you guess the last name. Like, bro, like, yo, people take man fist for dumb sometime, but you see these levels of dumb will get you fuck. Because me not go get up from your son condo, you know. That's why me there say chat about you and Ray, you know. But if you did turn up in front me, you wouldn't be alive now. Because you can't tell me say you want me to say oh okay, I guess you guess it. Like, you gotta tell me say you guessing name. Okay, you tell me say you guessing name. You hear how me get chipped to them, my voice gone. Me get chipped to the zine. Why is it me get chipped to them about a last name? Where you tell me say pick the last name was your mother's last name. Yeah, your mother have the same last name, babe. Yeah, your mother have the same last name, because your mother married to your father. What the fuck?
Jano viewers and subscribers, I feel it for Gage, Jaja. 2025 and woman still out here a give man Jocket. Yo, some woman just wicked on a whole different level, you know. Some woman wicked on a whole different level, because you cannot imagine, man. The man probably a take care of Pitney for how much years, but boy, them say Jamaica are the #1 capital for giving Jocket, you know. So, me don't know, that is something we now go change for now, but Gage, my brother Jano, just hold it. Don't go harm the woman, don't go kill the woman, because we know what can come out of this, you can go to prison for life, bro. But on another hand, viewers and subscribers, share on the thoughts and tell me what you think in the comment section. No, Jaja got Gage. But on to the other topic though, viewers and subscribers.
What do you feel it would take for Masicka to actually say, yeah, my clashing? Like I said, there will be a time. When you feel will be that time?
Yeah.
It have to be a thing where like fan base.
So Devin the doctor went to the fix and him had a conversation with them, and them ask him a few little things, and them ask him about Masicka and clashing. And Devin the doctor did say, yo, Masicka now go clash him, you know, which we been know that already. But him say Masicka now go clash him because him not up on a level. And it all comes down to the fan base. Fan base and fan base have a put together. So if Masicka have a fan base and Devin have a fan base, or to say if Devin have they're on the same level, like have hits and so forth, the clash will happen. But because him not have that with Masicka, it won't happen. But Devin the doctor stated that Masicka afraid of Alkaline because the fans them out here are put up the man them together, the both artists them together for clash, but Masicka a bug out, Masicka afraid. And Devin the doctor speak down on the whole conversation of Masicka being afraid. But listen what Devin the doctor have to say, viewers and subscribers.
What do you feel it would take for Masicka to actually say, yeah, my clashing? Like I said, there will be a time. When you feel will be that time?
Yeah.
It have to be a thing where like fan base bring the word. Like for example now, if him say him now run from you, clearly I run for Alkaline. Because the fans them did it. And you can't walk and draw the levels card with Alkaline. Not try to do that. So that afraid. I'm new name. With me can understand that. Honestly, me can understand it. And I just say true, we just not have the level of fans the way I go. They go say, yo, now we see people must say, yo, you leave, you come more the youth. But honestly, more they say them at a fan there. If you do it every single day. But you can't say, you know, see Alkaline fans them on the internet.
Oh yeah, them also.
You see me, so it's all about me building the movement, building the community there. I make my people them go out there go war for me. Until him now feel like, yeah, okay.
Viewers and subscribers, want to say Masicka afraid? Him like the conversation of a clash, but him don't want to engage in a clash because that is what I see now. That's clearly what I see now. Masicka like the conversation surrounding his name about clash, surrounding his name about who bad and who better than who. But the fact that him not want to engage in a clash, him would have loved to show shades and so forth, but him not engage. So, me know one thing in the comment section about what Devin the doctor said, because I totally agree with him, you know. Because Devin the doctor is on a level, so it would look a way for Masicka really give Devin the doctor the time of the day, because Devin the doctor not hot, him not a hit song like that, so he would have see with that. But the fact that The conversation has been brewing over the years about who are the baddest, if a Alkaline or Masicka in the new generation, and the conversation has been sparking saying that both artists need for clash. We don't see Masicka look like him really appoint him view that way there, or him not focus that way there. He must show look a shades here and there because they know a dancehall, you know. Dancehall have it egotistical artists them in it where them share them one another in a songs, but them not go clash. Enough artists do it, and if you're brave enough, show your talent, show your might, show your skills, go in a clash. We can't say we don't see where Alkaline go in a clash. We see where Alkaline clash, and we see where Vybz Kartel clash, and them artists, they are artists where we say are bad artists them. So if we are going to say you're the baddest thing, you have to prove yourself, and something like this can affect your street credibility, because dancehall space is a space where people love to see clash in a dancehall. No matter how you hear people say clash culture dead, but people like to see when artists and artists go up against them one another. Showing the talent, it's all about talent, you know. And the sport is a gladiator sport, so clashing is a part of the culture. So if Masicka say him are the baddest thing and him no want clash, that are going to affect him street credibility, whether in him fan base or whether within neutral listeners of dancehall. So that is it, viewers and subscribers. Masicka have to prove himself.
People, you know say them have Alkaline as a copycat in the business. But suppose me tell you right now, say, me can right now lay out 10 things with some top artists, thief from Alkaline in the business, and copy from Alkaline in the business.
So J Progress made a vlog where he stated that a lot of artists in a dancehall space copied Alkaline style. I know this already. And it's something I've been talked about a lot of times. But he's saying that a lot of artists copied Alkaline style, even though people were calling him Alkaline a copycat, same copy Vybz Kartel, which me not see. But J Progress stated that a lot of artists copied Alkaline style, and him lay out few songs into his vlog. I'm going to play it for you so you can't hear where I come from, because some of them songs are where him lay out, you know. I know them things, you know, because Masicka are one of those artists where use some of Alkaline styles and put it in his songs. He mentioned songs like Mute, and he mentioned songs like Richer and Richer. Same like what Masicka sing in a, the song where him sing Rich Sex. Just the same like what Alkaline sing in Blanca when Alkaline stated rich so rich so rich, and then you hear Masicka with song like richer richer, me say it every time. So there's a lot of style where Alkaline lay out there on the forefront in a dancehall, and a lot of artists bite the style, which is why Alkaline always stated that them forgive him homage, because the style them a theme style them a pattern, and we been know this from them time, from 2017 going forward, we know them thing already. But listen to where J Progress have to say, viewers and subscribers.
Right, people, you know say them have Alkaline as a copycat in the business. But suppose me tell you right now, say, me can right now lay out 10 things with some top artists, thief from Alkaline in the business, and copy from Alkaline in the business. So right now, every dancehall artist we have them dancehall phone, I go get them credit. That's why I say me a blog for dancehall right now. Me nah blog for Gaza, me nah blog for Vendetta, me nah blog for one side, none of them. Even my own artists, them were my artists. I go end up get falling in the fire because them two copy some man style. Them two copy Alkaline style. Me nah say some man. Alkaline. Because yeah. A long time Alkaline a fight this, and Alkaline don't get him credit. Alkaline have him dancehall phone and him not get no credit pan it out of dancehall. So all Alkaline credit when him forget some dancehall artists thiefy and some top tier dancehall artists me a talk about. Watch you now. Let me give you one more thing. The other day, me send out a thing to the Gaza fans and the Vendetta fans, them and ask them about the 2-watch. We see Vybz Kartel not 2-watch, Alkaline not 2-watch. You don't notice how me do them vlog there? Me not tell nobody nothing. You don't do the maths. Watch you now. Masicka and Alkaline. You don't know say Masicka thief Alkaline style and get a hit song with it. You don't know that. Masicka thief Alkaline style or copy anyway you don't want to put it. Thiefing style or copy Alkaline style and get a hit song with it. You know I wonder what me I talk about. What them must say again, cough it up. Mute. Lock the business without the suit. Chat him out, get put on mute. People, so many style. Chat him out, get put on mute. Dangerous Youth. You know that song there? You know Dangerous Youth by Alkaline? You go and go listen it. You know Mute by Masicka? You go and go listen it. I will drop mute. You tell me, I will put them on mute first. I will put them on mute. Me not have to tell you go do no research. So Alkaline don't get him credit in a dancehall. Remember, even when them say even when me a vlog my artist, Vybz Kartel. Remember say, when Skillbang when come out and big up Alkaline, Remember say me did run out and make the people them know, say me know Alkaline no get him credit. You know forgot? And not so long ago, couple months ago, even before the whole thing I go on with J Progress and the Gaza, me did come out and make the world know say Alkaline bigger than we no think. Alkaline no get him credit. But we all know say Alkaline a giant in our business. There is no person side to side with Vybz Kartel other than Alkaline. Alkaline alone up there right now. As much as how some people want to deny. You know how much Alkaline style them thief? The guys are black, the vendetta black them not working. It's a good thing that me have. If I was ever vlogging for vendetta, you hear something in the media, you can't believe. Through a dancehall me a vlog for. So everybody go get a beating. So tomorrow me can come talk a thing where Alkaline do, where Kartel do, where this man do. Any J Progress when a vlog for vendetta, you hear something you never hear yet. Some little thing we stifle down. But because now the vendetta blogger them out there and them know say Alkaline get so much fight, them so focused on the fight with Alkaline get and never realize how much Alkaline style get thief.
No man J Progress, we been a call out Masicka for where do man. A long time we been a call him out. Probably you not see it, but we been a call him out. Say a long time Masicka a thief Alkaline style, or to say copy Alkaline style. We been calling him out from a longer time. Even when him did the Rich Sex songs, remember he did Rich Sex and I sing the same chorus, so rich, so rich, so rich. And then Alkaline had a song called Blanca where he sing rich, so rich, so rich. That is the same thing. We've been a call out Masicka from a longer time. And a more than one songs, even the mute songs where you mentioned, when Alkaline say chat him out get put on mute, and then here goes Masicka, mute, mute, mute. We've been a call him out for them thing, but a lot of people just not see it. That is just it. And the next thing, Masicka pattern Alkaline, in a every way, every shape or form, Masicka pattern Alkaline. Even the strategy where I use now in the dancehall space, I try disassociate himself from the Gaza and Vybz Kartel, because currently we see where Vybz Kartel and them fans them, not Vybz Kartel, but Gaza fans them, they don't come down from Masicka. Them I take them support from Masicka. And Masicka I use that as strength. And him I use that for building fan base, because while them fan base realize say yo, Gaza fans them I disassociate themselves from Masicka, them give him the more support right now. And that I go help him for build himself off a war go on, because the more hate they get, the more bigger you get in your career, the stronger you be, the more hate you get. So he's using the same Alkaline strategy, which is why when you see him in the media, I say him are the greatest, or him are the world greatest, our dancehall, our Jamaica, stuff like that. That is just to boost him and just to build more eager for his fan base and make him fan base believe in them artists more. And me not knock him feet. That is just how it go. You have to take a time disassociate yourself from certain element or certain entity for build your own craft or build your own legacy. And me not gonna knock him for that. Even though I buy Alkaline style, nothing wrong with it. A lot of us Vendetta fans call him out, but still, we not beat him like that to all that extent. But it's just what it is, a dancehall. So me have a brother up on the screen and he must say people always listen Alkaline song for finding a fault tonight. Like there's just one thing where people always want to look or find in an Alkaline song, because the song them bad way him a release, but he's saying that the fault where them a find in an Alkaline song are just one fault. And listen what him have to say, viewers and subscribers, if you don't agree. Because he must say the people them will listen to Alkaline song, you know, some of them are not real fans, you know, them just want to find fault with Alkaline songs and Alkaline songs only. Listen what I say.
Key man, bad song. Disgusting, bad song. Me notice a pattern where people always are find, it's like when them listen to Alkaline, them listening to find a one line or a one word or a one saying where them can just latch on to for use and discredit the rest of the song. For example, the whole song with tough and them listen to the song, you know, and I enjoy it, and the whole time them say, yeah, this bad, but me don't want to admit it. This bad, but me don't want to say it out loud. This bad, but me don't want to tap my foot. This bad, but me don't want to shake my head. And then I hear that one line there where you say, yeah, I'm gonna grab this. And then them grab it and then say, yeah, he said this, the song of fuckery. Really? Come on. Cause when I really meds it, bro, like meds it. The average dancehall supporter barely listen a song past the intro, bro. So if a man have a questionable line in the second verse of a song, it implies that you listen that song all the way through. You pass the intro, you pass the chorus, you pass the first verse. And the only reason you go do that is if you actually like the fucking song. We know this. So the fact that you reach a line in the second verse where you cuss about, you actually fuck with the song, bro. You just did a look something for find fault with, and you picked that one line that you always are listening to the dog looking for that one line for latch on to, so you can say, yeah, he's fucker because of this one line. It act tough, like him actually bad. Awesome, I just want to put it out there that Microwave are one of the maddest clash songs them ever.
Viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think, you know, if you don't agree with what the brother is saying, you know, because I totally agree in all extents, because people always listen to Alkaline song just to find a fault with it, and it's an agenda and it's a clout movement when people come out here in the media just to spread some form of hate or some form of narrative into saying that Alkaline song a garbage, Alkaline song a foolishness, because it's a movement, it's a clout chasing movement and a narrative. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Share your thoughts and leave on the comments in the comment section. You know what, go already, man. I Vybz and inside with another episode. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.